Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to name your brand on Shopify. Choosing the right brand name is important because it represents your business and helps customers recognize your store. Let's go through how to set or change your Shopify branding. In your Shopify dashboard, before we open a Shopify store, make sure we already have a name ready for the store. Make sure we have searched and chosen a name that fits well. Once we have the name, we just need to click Start for Free to create a new store. Then we log into our account. Once we have our account, we just need to skip this step. Here, we will select an online store. We just click Next and enter our business details. Now, this is where we enter the store name or brand name. For example, we type in the name we want. Once we finish typing the store name, we just click Finish. We wait for Shopify to set up the store. As we can see here, we now have a new online store. If we click on our online store, we can see our current store is ready. We can edit the store here. We can edit the preferences and choose the themes we want, depending on our needs. And that's how we set up a brand name on Shopify. If we want to change the online store name, we just click Settings and go to General. As we can see here, we can change the online store name. Once we are done, we just need to save. And that's it. We've successfully learned how to change a Shopify store name. Now the store has a clear identity that customers can easily recognize.